Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you types of chemical reaction. Okay, types of chemical reaction. Topic is types of chemical reaction. Uh, on the basis of energy released or absorbed, or we can say depending upon the energy released or absorbed. Chemical reactions are of two types. Number one, exothermic reaction. Number two, endothermic reaction. Okay, depending upon the energy released or absorbed. Chemical reactions are of two types. Number one exothermic reaction. Number two, endothermic reaction. Those reaction in which what is exothermic reaction? Look here. Types of reaction. Depending upon the energy released or absorbed, chemical reactions are of two types. Number one, exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Number two, endothermic reaction. Exo. Exo means out. Thermic means heat. Exothermic reaction, a chemical reaction in which heat is given out, is called exothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat is given out is called exothermic reaction. Look here. Exo means out, thermic means heat. A chemical reaction in which heat is given out is called endo exothermic reaction. So definition is a chemical reaction in which heat is given out is called exothermic reaction. Okay. Example of exothermic reactions are: number one, carbon burn in air to form carbon dioxide plus heat. Carbon burn in air to form carbon dioxide and heat. Second example, methane burn in air to form C plus O2 combine to form CO2. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water plus heat. Number of hydrogen here 4, so we have to take here 2 to the 4. 2 oxygen plus 2 oxygen, 2 to the 4. Third example is calcium oxide. Other name of calcium oxide is quicklime. When added to water, then slacked lime is formed and large amount of heat is given out. Fourth example, hydrogen gas combined with oxygen gas. Hydrogen gas combined with oxygen gas. When hydrogen gas combined with oxygen gas, then water is formed and heat here is produced, and here is also heat produced. Number of hydrogen 2 to the 4, so we have to take here 2. Okay, but here is only heat produced in this reaction. CaOH ka whole twice, so here is only heat produced. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O plus heat. Fifth example, nitrogen gas combined with hydrogen gas to form ammonia gas and heat is given out. And sixth example is glucose C6H12O6 plus oxygen gives C and O2 combined to form carbon dioxide. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water plus heat is given out. Now we have to balance it. To balance this reaction, we have to take 6 oxygen, 6 CO2, 6 H2O. So student, I am telling you last time, a chemical reaction in which heat is given out is called exothermic reaction. Look here, in all reactions heat is given out. A chemical reaction in which heat is given out is called exothermic reaction. I hope you have to learn. You can learn it easily. Next point is endothermic reaction. Endo. Endo means absorbed. ABSORBED. Thermic means heat. Thermic means heat. So we can say in endothermic reaction, now I am telling you second point, endothermic reaction. What is endothermic reaction? Second point is endo. Listen students, endo means absorbed, thermic means heat. A chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Look here. Definition is a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. ABSORBED, absorbed, is called endothermic reaction. Okay, students. And after this example of endothermic reactions are example 1. Example 1 of endothermic reaction is when we heat calcium carbonate, then we get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. In this reaction heat is given. Okay, heat is absorbed by calcium carbonate. So first example, when we heat calcium carbonate, then we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Second example, when carbon and sulfur is heated at high temperature, then carbon disulfide is formed. When carbon and sulfur is heated at high temperature, then carbon disulfide is formed. Third is nitrogen. When nitrogen gas and oxygen, this is first, second, third. When nitrogen gas and oxygen gas heated at high temperature, about 3000 degrees Celsius, then nitric oxide gas is formed. Nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas heated high temperature 3000 degrees Celsius, then nitric oxide gas is formed. Next, carbon, fourth example. Its fourth example is when copper carbonate is heated, then we get copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay students, any problem, any doubt? Next point is now I am telling you some questions, important question related to this topic. So important question related to this topics are first important question that I am going to tell you. Question is complete and balance the following reaction. Complete question number, most important question you have to prepare for your exam, dear students. Complete and balance the following complete and balance the following reactions. complete and balance the following reaction. So first part of this question is sodium chloride aqueous, sodium chloride aqueous, aqueous means solution which contain water, plus silver nitrate, silver nitrate aqueous. Then what is fill here? First part you have to think and tell me. And second, when lead nitrate is heated with potassium iodide, then what we get? You have to think and tell me. I am giving you 2 minute time, students. And next, just I have told you, when we heat copper carbonate, and D part of this question is lead nitrate heated. When we heat lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole twice, we have to heat lead nitrate. And E part is ammonia react with oxygen in presence of platinum. So students, you have to think how you will do these questions. Okay students, you have to think. Look here. Here Na and Na and NO3 combine to form NaNO3, and Ag and silver combine, Ag and chlorine combine, Ag and Cl combine. When silver and chlorine combine, then silver chloride AgCl is formed. Okay. Next, Pb react with iodine. Pb and iodine. Valency of halogen iodine is 1. Its atomic number 53. In the last cell, 7 electron present. Valency 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. And valency of lead. Atomic number of lead is 82. Its valency is 2. Cross multiply. We get formula PbI2. So we get lead iodide PbI2. After this, to balance this reaction, number of iodine here 2. So we have to take here. We get PbI2. Okay students. So and we get when we balance it, Pb react with iodine. Pb react with iodine. We get in this reaction, students. Look here, PbI2. Here number of iodine is 2. So we have to multiply this iodine, potassium iodide by 2. Now 2K and 2NO3 combine, we get 2KNO3. Okay students. Next point, we heat copper carbonate. When we heat copper carbonate, we get CuO, copper oxide. CuO removed from copper carbonate, we get CO2, carbon dioxide. Second, now we heat lead nitrate. We have to take 2 molecules. We get 2 molecules of lead oxide plus nitrogen. 2 2 ja 4. We get 4NO2, nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown color gas. After this, oxygen. 4 2 ja 8, 2 10, 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 12 plus O2. So number of lead 2, number of lead 2, number of oxygen 2, 2 oxygen, 4 2 ja 8, 2 plus 8 10 plus 12, 10 plus 2 12, and 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Nitrogen 2 2 ja 4, nitrogen 4. Okay students. Next, ammonia react with oxygen. Then we get nitric oxide. 4NH3 plus 5O2. We get 4NO. आपको यू हैव टू लर्न स्टूडेंट वन पोएम, कह मेरी नानी कितना पानी, जितना ऑक्सीजन उतना पानी, जितना हाइड्रोजन उसका आधा पानी. तो ऑक्सीजन देखिए कितना है, यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन है 4 और यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन कितना है 5 2 जा 10. तो कितना ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर ज़्यादा है, 10 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 6. तो 6 ऑक्सीजन बचे हैं, तो 6 आपका वाटर बन जाएगा. जितना ऑक्सीजन उतना पानी. और हाइड्रोजन देख लीजिए, 6 2 जा 12, 4 3 जा 12. तो 12 का हाफ कितना होता है 6, 6 वाटर. पोएम लर्न कर लीजिए, कहे मेरी नानी कितना पानी, जितना हाइड्रोजन उसका आधा पानी, जितना ऑक्सीजन उतना पानी. तो 6 ऑक्सीजन है तो 6 वाटर बन गया, या फिर 4 3 जा 12, 12 का हाफ होता है 6, 6 वाटर प्रोड्यूस हो गया. Okay student, so these are the important reaction, you have to prepare it. Okay students. Next question I am telling you, what do you observe when, what do you observe when. So next part of this question is what do you observe when it is also important part. So second question, what do you observe, what do you observe when first part of this question is lead nitrate is heated, lead nitrate is heated. So look here students, we have to take lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice, two molecules. I have just told you this reaction. We get two PbO. We get lead nitrate is heated. When we heat lead nitrate, we get lead oxide PbO and nitrogen dioxide 2 PbO 4 NO2 plus O2. Number of lead 2, number of lead 2. Number of nitrogen 2 2 ja 4, 4 nitrogen. Oxygen 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 12. 2 oxygen, 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. So what we observed? We observed when lead nitrate is heated, then lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown color, nitrogen dioxide gas, and colorless gas, oxygen is produced. Okay, students, you can write answer. We get reddish brown color, nitrogen dioxide gas. Second part of this question is silver nitrate is exposed to sunlight. Silver nitrate is exposed to sunlight. Silver nitrate exposed to sunlight. Look here, formula of silver. Here silver chloride. Okay, students, so you have to look right here, silver chloride. Dear student, you know very well what is the formula of silver chloride? AgCl. When we placed silver chloride in sunlight, then we get silver, gray color silver metal plus Cl2, chlorine gas. And C part of the question is hydrogen peroxide is exposed to sunlight. Hydrogen peroxide is exposed to sunlight. So when we put hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in sunlight, then we get 2H2O, 2H2 plus O2, 2H2 plus O2. Okay, students. And D part of the question is hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through copper sulfate solution. Hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through copper sulfate solution. Now we have to take copper sulfate solution CuSO4 and hydrogen sulfide gas pass H2S pass, we get copper sulfide black color and H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Okay, students, so when look here, CuS copper sulfide and H2SO4, we have to obtain color of this is black. And after this E part of the question is barium chloride is added to sodium sulfate solution. Barium, this is most important reaction. So you have to prepare all the reaction. All reactions are most important for your exam. Barium chloride is added to sodium sulfate solution. Is added to sodium sulfate Na2SO4 solution. Formula of barium chloride is BaCl2 and sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. We get 2NaCl, 2Na and 2Cl combined. 2NaCl is formed and barium react with sulfate to form white precipitate of barium sulfate. So in this reaction we observed when barium chloride is added to sodium sulfate solution, then white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Okay students, and after this next F part is water is added to quicklime. Water is added to quicklime. So E part of this question is F part of this question is water is added to quicklime. Dear student, you know very well what is the formula of quicklime. कौवा कैसे बोलता है? काव काव. काव की spelling CAO. So formula of quicklime is CAO. So look here. Water, formula of water is H2O and quicklime is CaO. Now add, we get CaOH, CaOH ka whole twice. Name of this is, first name calcium hydroxide, second name slacked lime, SLAKED, slacked lime, slacked lime. So observation, when water is added to quicklime, then slacked lime is formed and large amount of heat is produced. After this, G part of this question. G part is sodium chloride solution added to silver nitrate solution. Sodium chloride solution added to silver nitrate solution. Sodium chloride solution is added to, this is the last part. Sodium chloride solution is added to sodium chloride solution is added to silver nitrate solution. Dear student, you have to prepare these reactions. These reactions are very most important for your exam. Sodium chloride, formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Is added, added means plus. Silver nitrate, formula of silver nitrate is AgNO3. We get AgCl. AgCl is, we get white precipitate of silver chloride. After this, Na and NO3 combined, we get NaNO3, sodium nitrate. So we can say when silver nitrate is added to sodium chloride solution, then white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. Student, I hope that you can understand this lecture. If you have any problem, then write it comment box. Like this video, share it to your friends. Lockdown period is going on, so you have to help each other by sharing this video. And if you have any types of problem, then tell me all the time. Okay students, like this video, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends. Okay students.